Do you want to prioritize your health but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 10 actionable tips to help you prioritize your health, from setting clear goals to practicing self-compassion. Whether you're looking to boost your physical fitness, improve your nutrition, or manage stress more effectively, these tips will provide you with a solid foundation. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Now, let's dive into the countdown. Starting at number 10, set clear goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is the first step towards prioritizing your health. It could be improving your physical fitness, enhancing your mental well-being, refining your diet, or even managing stress. By setting specific, measurable, and attainable goals, you can pave the way for a healthier you. Moving on to number 9, create a routine. Building a routine that includes health-promoting activities can make your journey towards better health less daunting. Dedicate time for physical exercise, meal planning, relaxation, and self-care activities. A well-structured routine can make healthy living feel more like a lifestyle than a chore. At number 8, we have make healthy food choices. Prioritizing your health means nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Include an abundance of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your diet. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary treats, and alcohol. Meal prepping can be a game changer, helping you make healthier choices consistently. Coming in at number 7, stay active. Regular physical activity is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Find joy in staying active, whether it's hitting the gym, exploring the outdoors, practicing yoga, or taking leisurely walks. The goal is to make exercise something you look forward to, not dread. And finally, at number 6, get sufficient sleep. Sleep is as vital to your health as diet and exercise. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, establish a consistent sleep schedule, and create a conducive environment for a good night's rest. These are just half of our tips. Stay tuned for the top 5. Moving on to our top 5 tips for prioritizing your health. Number 5 is all about managing stress. We all encounter stress from time to time, but it's how we handle it that truly matters. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or journaling can be incredibly helpful. Remember, it's important to prioritize activities that help you relax and unwind. For our 4th tip, let's talk hydration. It's simple, yet so crucial. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Carrying a reusable water bottle can be a great reminder to keep those hydration levels up. Moving to tip number 3, let's not forget about preventive healthcare. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential. These appointments are your opportunity for screenings, vaccinations, and overall health assessments. If you have any health concerns or symptoms, don't hesitate to address them promptly. Second on our list is setting boundaries. It's okay to say no to commitments or activities that compromise your health or well-being. Remember, establishing boundaries allows you to prioritize self-care without feeling guilty. And that brings us to our number 1 tip. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Recognize that prioritizing your health is a journey. It's okay to have setbacks or challenges along the way. Focus on progress rather than perfection, because at the end of the day, your health is your wealth. And that's our number 1 tip. Practice self-compassion. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 10 tips we've discussed today. Set clear health goals, create a routine, make healthy food choices, stay active, get sufficient sleep, manage stress, stay hydrated, schedule regular checkups, set boundaries, and practice self-compassion. Each of these steps will help you prioritize your health. Remember, prioritizing your health is a journey, not a destination. Take small steps every day towards a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.